Your life story might run something like this. Maybe you just graduated out of a management school or you passed out of an engineering college and now you're waiting for that wonderful job to come your way. It could happen that some of your friends have got placed into various organizations, but unfortunately you were not placed. This suddenly upsets you in a very big way. Each one of us wants a beautiful breakthrough in our life with respect to our career, and we all want to strive to ensure that we get the best. Maybe your parents spent a huge amount on your education and were wanting that you pass it in style so that you get a wonderful job. All your dream and ambitions hinge on this purpose. And for whatever reasons, maybe it is the recession, maybe things are not going your way and you don't manage a job, and your other friends have started getting a job, it might upset, and for some reasons it might also depress you. As more and more of your friends start getting a job, there's a tremendous peer pressure which gets over you. Even your parents get to hear that some of your friends are placed or some of their friends' children are placed, and now they wonder why you're not placed. And you try more harder. As you try more harder, the elusive job seems to go away. That is the way the law of vibration actually works. In the sense that if you already have a job, if you already have an offer in the hand, you might see that there are so many organizations waiting to give you more offers. The person who has one offer or two offers or three offers has many more offers. And now it is his choice to choose which job he chooses. Whereas, in your case, it could be that with not a single offer in hand, you're wondering what could be the next breakthrough that could happen into your life. And you ask yourself, what should I do in these circumstances? And you do what a normal person actually does. You go to more interviews, you give your resume, you give it to headhunters, you give to placement agencies, you scan your CVs into various job portals, etc., etc. All this is wonderful enough, but there is a wonderful way by which you can get connected to a job in a more harmonious and beautiful manner. This is a technique that I wanted to share with you, that everything is a vibration. When you are upset, when you are depressed, when you are not in connection with yourself of not having a job, the more the job becomes elusive. So, you somehow to get into a framework where you get into the aspect that actually you are attracting a wonderful job coming your way. And this attraction of a wonderful job coming your way is very critical. The mind state is very critical. Somewhere you need to get into a vibration where you actually feel that you already have a job when you don't have one. In that mind state, in that vibration, the existence of the universe shows you many things or places or events that will actually lead you to a job. That means the whole prerequisite is you need to get into a framework where actually you feel you have landed into a job. There are 2-3 ways to get it done. One of the greatest ways to get it done is grab a yellow paper, take a red pen. These are the color synchronicities for manifestation. And you may choose to write this affirmation in a very powerful way. Maybe you choose to write it 11 times in a day. The affirmation is that I'm attracting a wonderful job in a wonderful way. I'm giving wonderful service for a wonderful pay. I'll tell you once again, I'm attracting a wonderful job in a wonderful way. I'm giving wonderful service for a wonderful pay. If you can write this and feel it within yourself, maybe 11 times or so, write it or feel it deep within, your vibration changes. You get into a state of harmony with yourself as though you have landed a job. And then the whole universe opens up portals and doorways where the newspaper or your friend or your colleague or some placement agency suddenly comes up to you and happily you land into a job in a mysterious and magical manner. This is a very simplistic idea. Another idea that you could extend a little beyond this is that again grab a yellow paper and a red pen and write a wonderful job the way you think you deserve it. The kind of a job you want, the kind of a company you would like to work with, or the salary that you would demand from such a company. Write it in a present continuous tense as though you have got the job. This is a beautiful way where vibrations harmonize within, and soon you will see in a magical, mystical manner, you are led some way and you land up into the job. If you do not do this in that sense, the journey becomes a little tough. You do the traditional ways. This is like kind of a spiritual support. This is a kind of a support that you get through the vibrations or through the energy or through the universe. Whatever you do other side, please go keep on doing it, but add this and it will actually enhance. What generally happens is that whenever we are not able to get a job, inside of us, we get into a vibration whereby we feel a deep guilt, we feel worthlessness, and this feeling deprives us the job, deprives us of the opportunities, deprives us in the very factor that even we can't notice a single opportunity where an ad is visible. In that state, maybe if you open a newspaper, you might read there is a recession on, people are not getting jobs, people are laid off, people are thrown off, etc. More news come which hamper. The whole game of life is nothing but a vibration, it's a thought process. Every creation that actually happens is a thought to the reality as a process. And I wish that you actually apply these two rules on an instant basis, and I'm very sure you'll be celebrating your success by sweets or by a party thrown to your friend. Honestly, deep down, I sincerely wish that you've got a really wonderful job that befits your state. I wish you well. Thank you so much.